The question is this: can I use YouTube without creating a Google account? And the bottom line is you can. I can go search for, videos by Teddy Burris. I can go find his YouTube channels. There's his videos and his YouTube channels. They're all right there. I can find his channel. That's my channel.
Thank you for stopping and visiting.
But I can't subscribe unless I sign in. I have to sign in to subscribe to this channel. I can't comment on a video. If I'm viewing a video, I can't comment because I am not logged in to YouTube. So how do we do this? You have to log into an account. Now, can I log in without a Gmail account? Let me take a look and see what I can or cannot do. Sign in. To sign in to continue to YouTube. And so I don't have an account. So can I create an account for my personal use? And I can type in my name. It wants to know all this stuff. Next, you'll need to confirm this email belongs to you. So I can use, well, it says use an existing email. I can use my tlburris@myyahoo.com. I'm not creating a Gmail account. Hit next. Now it sent a message with a verification code to that email address. Here's my Yahoo. Go to mail. Look, verify this email address. Where's the code? Right there. Copy that. Go back to Google. Which, again, all I'm trying to do is sign into Google so I can comment on YouTube videos. Put that code. It wants me to create a password. Confirm. It let me in that time. It failed earlier, I think, because I had the word Google in my password. Review your account information, Teddy, tlburris@myyahoo. Hit next. I got to confirm the privacy and terms. I definitely should pay attention to this. I've read them repeatedly. I agree. Confirm personalization. I could do more or just confirm. And now, I have just logged into YouTube through Google with my Yahoo email address. And so now I can ignore all this, go back, and I can now subscribe. I can now subscribe to this channel, and I can also comment. The intent of this video was to see if I could get into YouTube and comment and subscribe to YouTube content videos without having a Gmail account. The bottom line is I have to have a Google account. However, I was able to use my Yahoo, tlburris@myyahoo.com, and I was able to log into YouTube. Basically, I logged into a Google account. What do I have access to there? Well, I have access to my Google account. I have access to Google Contacts, Google Calendar, Google Drive. Now, I haven't tested all of the Google products. One thing I can't get to is I can't get to Gmail because I don't have a Gmail email address. So I would have to create a Gmail address in order to get to Gmail. However, that's not overly important because the intent was to prove that I can get to YouTube without having a Gmail email address, but I did need to create a Google account. But I did it with a myyahoo.com email address. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail guy, and I hope this is helpful for you.